Hey y'all, it's Tastepink. Welcome back to the channel, and today we have an extreme transformation. I'm going from crochet braids to this gorgeous lace front wig, and this is from Rpgshow, and this is a part of the Miss Precious Marie collection. And honey, when I tell you this honey blonde highlight unit is perfect for everyone who's into the more everyday corporate ready, but you still want to look cute at date night, sis, I see you. You can slay. This unit is gorgeous. It's long. It's luxurious. Honey, you can luxuriate. Feel very, very cute. I just have on a robe and you see how I'm serving. But the reason why I wanted to do this video is because one of my viewers actually stated that no one ever shows themselves removing crochet braids and she wants to see the process. And I'm like, you might be new here, sis. I definitely show my removal process, but I thought it would be really, really cute. It would be a concept to go from crochet braids to a lace front wig, because sometimes you just want to switch up and it could be super quick. And this takes me all of 20 minutes to remove my crochet braids. So to my people out there who want to do this, get your scissors. You can use regular craft scissors. You don't have to use the more like technical hair shears, because synthetic hair is honestly more like a material, like a fabric, so you can treat it as such. Make sure that you have your mirror in place and patience. Allocate enough time to do this so that you don't cut your hair. In 2019, we don't need to be cutting our hair, sis. It's way too easy, okay? So definitely make sure that you guys stay tuned to the full demonstration, and I'm gonna be dropping hints in there, so you definitely want to catch those. And then I'm gonna come back and kiki with you all about this gorgeous look. Okay, so you guys saw me go from like full crochet braids down to my little braids, okay, my little silly braids. And so it's so important, like I said, to get a mirror in place so you can see everything you're doing. If you can't see it, then you should not be cutting it. And if you can't see in those rare instances, you want to make sure that you're using your hands to really feel where those knots are so that you can unravel it accordingly. I don't want you guys cutting your hair. Again, it's way too easy. It takes me all of 20 minutes to get this done. And if you want to create a little bit more slip so that the synthetic hair just like glides away from your natural braids, take a little bit of conditioner or spritz the hair with water. That'll definitely help, and you'll notice the knots are just unraveling even easier. But okay, so with this particular unit, Rpgshow swooped up with Miss Precious Marie. So make sure if you aren't subscribed to her, definitely subscribe. And Rpgshow is bringing you some of the best fake scalp wigs on the market, and that's true teases. This is not a unit that features the fake scalp method with the super flimsy stocking cap material. No, this has a lot better integrity, and you can actually cleanse and clarify the material itself. So it's a lot more hygienic, sis, and that's true tea, because a lot of the girls forgot about that. But I think that the fact that you have that fake scalp, it's going to give you even more of a realistic look. It's going to give you the illusion of that fake scalp, and it's less work that you have to do. And one of the things that I do recommend, make sure that you get the appropriate color. I typically wear the medium brown, but because I got a tan, it is a little bit lighter, like it's noticeably lighter. So I went in with my Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in mocha, and it got the job done, sis. You can slay, it's no worry. But again, just get your right color, because it just makes it easier. It's less steps that you have to do. And I knew that when I installed this unit, I wanted to do a little bit more customization. So I'm someone who's extra, I'm a bit of a perfectionist, and I'm really trying to get in the groove of slaying these wigs like some of these celebrity stylists, okay? I can't keep doing the basics forever. So I went in to tweeze the unit, and I tweezed for quite a bit, sis. I really wanted to improve on the transitional density. It's not as if the hairline is boxy, but you know what I'm saying? When you customize it a little bit more, you put a little bit more zhuzh into it, the people really feel it, and it looks bomb, like it's coming out of your scalp. And the fact that this unit features the transparent Swiss lace, sis, if you want to give scalpiana, okay, if you want the boys and girls to think that this is your hair, you definitely need to get you a unit with transparent lace, because sis, it's a win. But I wanted to install and apply this unit with Got To Be Free Spray, because I'm not doing glue, I'm not doing gel, I'm not doing tape, sis. I want my edges. We work real hard to get them, and we're going to keep them intact so that they're strong and long. But I worked in increments when applying the free spray, and I also used my blow dryer on the cool setting. This is a true tip that I want you guys to listen in on. If you want your unit to have the lace kind of melt into the skin, start using the free spray and using your blow dryer on the cool setting and working in increments, work in sections, so that you create a really good adhesion, and then it's not too messy. It creates a less messy kind of process that often intimidates my beginners. So if you're looking to graduate, kind of elevate and work on your technique, this is the time, and that's the perfect way to do it. And it's only one product, and it's super affordable at the drugstore. And when I went in to style the unit, of course you got to use your electric hot comb so you can get it super flat at the top. I didn't want that hump day action, okay? I want to be unclockable. And I also went in with my curling wand. Now you can use a curling iron, but I have a bad history with curling irons. I always burn myself. But with the curling wand, is super lazy girl friendly. If you are someone who doesn't want to fool with your curling iron way too much, the curling wand is so dope, because you can be super lazy and take 8 to 10 sections and just wrap them away from your face, because that's how I did it with this particular style. And then just use your paddle brush, and you want to brush up the curls. You get what I'm saying? Brush up the curls. It really creates a lot more volume. It looks super sexy. You want this bedroom hairstyle, sis? I think you should get it. I'm just here in my robe, you know what I'm saying? This is bedroom hair. I feel super sexy. What do you guys think? You loved it on my live stream, so I just had to come and give you true tea. I've worn it, slept in it, and the curls were still popping. It holds a curl. The hair definitely does loosen with the curl over time, but still I love how it settles. And so if you are someone who is interested in getting a new look, definitely check out Rpgshow. If you're looking for more methods to install your unit, check out their Instagram. They show very beginner friendly steps as well as more advanced, as they feature different hairstylists, even celebrity hairstylists. And this is the time to get your unit. So if you've been eyeing one, use one of the coupon codes. I'll definitely have it linked in the description box. I believe it's Labor Day. Use the coupon code, get some money off, slay the day, and feel good about it. You know what I'm saying? This is quality, this is an investment, and you would save a lot more money, say if you were getting a wig and then going to a stylist to have it installed. Okay, you could do it yourself, sis. I showed you the way. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and if you do subscribe, let me know so I can give you a nice warm welcome. Kiki with me in the comments, and don't forget, share this with your homeboys, your homegirls. Unclockable. Bye, y'all.